Everyone says think about future, think about future. I think now is the correct time to think about future. It's literally just 30 days. A war has begun. Countdown has already started. These 30 days can either make or break your life, and everyone knows that. You guys know that. So you must also know that you have to study. Are you guys studying? स्टडिंग मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि किताब खोल के बैठे हो 10-10 घंटा बैठे हो, लेकिन अगर आपका दिमाग इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रास्प एंड अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट, देन इट्स ऑफ नो ब्लडी यूज. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you're having a goal. Your goal is to pass. Your goal is to get above 150. That is your goal. But a goal without proper planning, without proper strategy is a delusion. Get out of that delusion. Bloody make a plan and stick to it. If you can't, I'm sorry. Then just give up on your dreams and die. जिंदा क्यों हो? मकसद क्या है जीने का? If there is no मकसद, then you're just like that withered leaf that just roams around with the air. If you're alive and you have a brain, क्योंकि दिमाग के बगैर तो it's quite tough, you know. So I'm sure you have a brain. Better use it before it's mushed with regrets. Many people might have told you you're a failure, you can't do anything. I think now is the proper time. Now is the chance to prove them wrong. So if you can't prove them wrong, then they are right, right? So either accept that you're a failure, and if you're not, then bloody show them, and that your results are enough to show. 30 days. I just want to motivate you guys. Motivation is like a recreational drug. The effects they wear off pretty soon. So you just have to take it. But recreational drugs, obviously it has side effects, you know. So motivational is something that if you just keep on searching from external media, there are side effects. The side effect is time waste. You're wasting your time. Right? So it should always be internal. If it's not internal, then obviously you're wasting your time. 19 subjects में दिमाग लगाओ, उसके लिए use किया जा सकता है. If you're just constantly in search of motivation, then it's pretty tough. So it should be internal. And if your vision, if your goal is not enough to motivate you guys, I don't know what else is. मतलब एकदम जल के आग शोला बन जाओ and just study. I know it's pretty hard, aggressive to spend like hours and hours. You have to just sit there with just some concept that you have to understand, and it's just hours of pain and suffering. I know everyone has been through it. You're not the only one, and if they can do it, why can't you? Right? And if you can't, then you're wasting a lot of resources of your parents. And I think जो बच्चा पढ़ाई करना चाहता है, उसके पास पैसे नहीं है, उसको दान कर दो, because then of no bloody use if you are not using it, right? So bloody use it. वो जो मैरो खरीदा है पैसे देके, वो जो सेरेबेलम, प्रेप लैडर, यूज इट. उसका पूरा एक शब्द, एक चीज उसमें की यूज करो. जीटी दो, एमसीक्यू दो, सबको पता है, तो फिर करते क्यों नहीं हो? Everyone knows it. I'm not saying anything new. I just want to, I just want to just slap some motivation into you. And what better motivation than winning? No need of external motivation. No need of that. And bottom line is, it's not over if you lose. It's not over if you lose, but it's over when you give up. The moment you give up, अरे यार मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, सिर्फ 30 दिन कैसे करूँगा, अब तक कुछ नहीं किया. The moment you give up in your mind, that is going to manifest in the real life. Everything starts with the mind. If you can do it in your mind, if you know that you can achieve, and without belief, there's absolutely nothing. If you don't have faith in yourself, at least have faith in yourself. The world might be against you. At least you should stand with yourself. And if you can't do that, then भगवान बचाए फिर आपको. Without stress, pain, anxiety, without all these things, you'll be always stuck in that one comfort zone, in your comfort zone. And remember, nothing ever grows in comfort zone. Absolutely nothing. It's just a barren land that is of no use. So if you want to grow, if you want to just do something in your life, you need to extend your boundaries. You need to break that comfort zone, step out of it. And for that, you need to go through that process of drilling yourself, sitting there ideally in one bloody spot. If you're taking break, remember there are thousands who are studying at that time. They are not taking breaks. So right now with FMG exam, you're already at a pretty comfortable spot. This is not competitive exam. It's just that you have to cross that boundary of 150. We all can win. इधर ऐसे नहीं कि एक जीतेगा और बाकियों को हारना ही पड़ेगा. We all can win. If you're crossing 150, you're past. Let's do this together. सबकी help करो, एक दूसरे की help करो guys. Helping is our baseline. It's fundamental. If you help others, you yourself will be at a high level. You will be so motivated. You will feel so awesome in your life. So दिस इज़ नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं है. कॉम्पिटिशन में अगर आप वो चिंदीगिरी करते हो तो ओके, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है, एक को तो जीतना पड़ेगा. दिस इज़ नॉट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. दिस इज जस्ट बाउंड्री ऑफ 150. दिस इज लाइक दैट आर्मी, यू नो. तो सब, हर कोई जीत सकता है इसमें, हर कोई. सो कीप हेल्पिंग ईच अदर. यहाँ पे चिंदीगिरी मत करो. हेल्प ईच अदर. फील मोटिवेटेड, फील पॉजिटिव, यू नो. यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट पीस इन योर लाइफ. And remember, there's absolutely no one, absolutely nothing that's stopping you. It's just you yourself. Either you can make it or either you can break it. You're the most amazing person and you're the most worst person for yourself. And the choice is yours. The wisdom lies with you. Either be the most amazing person that you are for yourself or be the worst version that you are for yourself. You can choose. You have the bloody choice. Just mold yourself, be yourself, and be really good to yourself. At last, I would just say, achieve your dreams, do something in your life, and whoever has said once in their life that this guy, he or she doesn't deserve it, you know, you guys are failure. अगर नीट में नहीं हो पाया, इंडिया में नहीं हो पाया, बाहर जाके आ तो गए, अभी क्या करोगे, एग्जाम तो बहुत टफ है, निकाल नहीं पाओगे वगैरह. This is perfect time. This is your time to shine, to show them that you guys are wrong. Everything starts within you. Everything starts with you. With you. You need to take a stand for yourself. No one is gonna come. No one is gonna fight for you. Enough. कितना भरोसे पे रहोगे अपने पेरेंट्स के? कभी तो खुद के पैर पे खड़े हो जाओ. You need to take a stand for yourself. If you can't do that, then those people were right. So either prove them wrong or they are right. And then again, you have two choices. Achieve your dreams. Be that it factor in your life. Be that it person. Right? Either do that or give up on your dreams and die. It's your choice. No one can choose but you. So I hope you choose the best for yourself. Bye.